Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the TW60 and we will try them on and see what we got from this device. So we have the box in front of us. Let's begin unboxing it. As you can see, the box itself is very simple, TW60 in the side, and we have some pictures in the front. You can see immediately it reveals the earphones itself. Underneath we have a micro USB Type-C charger, and we have some extra rubber pieces for your ear. Also the user manual, which you will see right now. As you can see, we have in Chinese and English as well, so this makes very easy for us that we don't live in China to understand, or when we have any problem with this product. As you can see, the package is very good and very good quality. It looks good. The magnetic works pretty good as well. We have the earphones itself. You can see they are fully charged and ready to use. Now let's go ahead here, power them on by just taking out of the base, put them in our ear and see how they feel for the first time. They are pretty good, pretty snug. We can see immediately when you press pair new device, it found them without any problem, and it pairs them in just a few seconds, which is a very good thing, knowing that some of the earphones cause problem. Here in the YouTube, let's try the first song that came here. The sound is very good. We have a now sound. Let's push it to the middle here. I barely can hear myself. The sound is very good, and the surrounding sounds are not hearing through these earphones, which is a very good thing. The bass is very good, the sound is clear, and these earphones, I can say that they are one of the best earphones. They are pretty good. The sound, as I said before, is very loud and clear. With one click you can pause or play with either of these earphones, right or left. And we have other option as well, like double tap. As you can see, with the right one you will play the next song, and with the left one you will play the previous song that was playing before. So in both of the earphones we have different options or commands. As you can see, with the left one, press it 3 times, it will decrease the sound or turn the volume down, and with the right one, press it 3 times, it will raise the volume up, which is a very good thing, so you don't have to pull your phone out to change the sound or the volume. As you can see, open Google, it opens up immediately. The microphone hears you very clear, which seems to make this earphone even better, because you can actually use them for phone calls and for meetings or other things, and that is a very good thing to know, that the microphone can hear you clearly and the other people that you are talking hears you clearly. As you can see one more time here, open YouTube, it opens up immediately without any problem. So we know now how they work, and we know now that they work pretty good. The case is very basic. Just put them on, they will start to charge. You can charge them for a few times, and you can listen to the music throughout the day with these earphones. So guys, this was the TW60, and this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.